In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Meet as an app on your Windows 11 computer. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using Chrome, because the installation option may not appear in other web browsers. Next, go to google.com and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. It looks like a grid of 9 dots. From the list of Google Apps, select Google Meet. This will open the official Google Meet website. To install Google Meet as a standalone app, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Google Meet. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install to continue. Google Meet will now open in its own separate window, just like a regular Windows application. Even if you close Google Chrome, the Google Meet app will remain open. You can also access it from the Start menu. Simply open the Start menu, search for Google Meet, and click the app to launch it. You can also right-click it and select Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start for quicker access in the future, and that's how to download and install the Google Meet app on a Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.